Ken.
Okay, I'm Alan, product manager of Wi-Tek. Today I introduce Wi-Tek product line. Uh, for Wi-Tek product, we have two parts. One part is about a wear product. It mainly include a switch, PoE switch, and another part is about the wireless product. It includes wireless access point and wireless CPE. And for the switch product, we have different niche product suit for different market, like 250 meters long range CCTV PoE switch and gigabit PoE switch and UPS solar PoE switch and 24 volt and 48 volt smart PoE switch and the fiber product for ISP and the industrial uh, grade PoE switch and outdoor PoE switch. First, I introduced 250 meters long-range CCTV PoE switch, and this product series include uh, from the 4 PoE port and 8 PoE port and 16 and 24 ports, and different port model. We designed the right PoE budget. Like for PoE port, we have 65-watt PoE budget, and 8 PoE port we have 120-watt budget PoE budget, and 16 we have 200-watt, and 24 we have 250-watt. And we also support some features usually used in the CCTV market. Like we designed the double uplink port and fanless design and AC power and port VLAN and extend mode and PoE watchdog and 60-watt BT standard. I will explain these features one by one. First, 250 meters long range means we can transmit PoE and date at 250 meters by use Cat5, Cat5e cable. And we test if you use Cat6 cable, we even can transmit 300 meters. In our switch, we have designed a deep switch. It has three modes: default mode, VLAN, and extend. And at extend mode, you can use Cat5 and Cat5e to transmit 250 meters. And at default mode, you can transmit 100 meters. And at VLAN mode, actually we call the port VLAN function. It also can call port isolation because at this mode, different PoE port cannot talk or send a message each other, just can send the date to the uplink port. So it will protect the different PoE port device.
Elena,
Yeah.
the
Yes.
250 meter, does it
Yes.
require an extender?
Sorry.
Does it require an extender in between?
Yes, need under the extend mode. But
So,
at this
This
mode,
one no need
at this
extender.
mode, actually the date, the speed will decrease to the 10 Mbps. So cannot use for the wireless access point. Just can use in for the CCTV camera.
okay. So 250-meter cable, straight line, no device in between.
Yeah, no device
The
between.
only thing is the Ethernet port will be tuned down to 10 megabit
Yeah.
data, and
Yes.
it will still be able to carry AU2.3 AF or AT PoE, is it?
Yes. Still 80 PoE. The power is no problem. Just the speed decrease to the 10 Mbps.
Okay, okay. Thank you.
A port VLAN advantage, such as sometime if your network in your network your computer gets the ARP attract, and the computer will always send the broadcast date to the other device. But if have the VLAN port VLAN protect, the computer cannot send the date to the other device. Only can send to the uplink port. So it will protect other device in the network. If no port VLAN, the whole network device will uh, get the ARP attract. And we for our CCTV PoE switch, we also design the double uplink. It's very important for the CCTV because before usually our other brand the PoE switch only have one uplink port, so they need connect the uplink port PoE switch uplink port to the wireless router first, then connect the wireless router to the NVR. So the all video data will transmit from the switch bypass the wireless router to the NVR. If the wireless router is weak, the performance is weak, it will let your video become very slow. But we design is a double uplink port. So one uplink port connects NVR directly. One uplink port connect to the wireless router. And when your video sent from the camera to the PoE switch, it will directly transmit from the uplink port to the NVR, no delay, and it will let your video more stable. And for our CCTV PoE switch, we also add the 802.3 BT standard. It's a new standard. Also can name the PoE++. First I introduce usually for the PoE standard. The first class is AF. AF is means it can PoE output 15.4 watt by a PoE port. And the second class is AT standard. It can output 30 watt. And the new standard is BT standard. In the draft, it also called high PoE, but its normal standard name is BT standard. It can reach 60 watt, even 90 watt. Usually, some PoE device it cost different PoE budget. Like a non-PTZ camera, it only need 60 watt usually, less 60 watt, and a PTZ camera usually need less 15 watt PoE budget, and dual band wireless access point like 11AC usually need 20 watt for the power. And if the big like this speed PTZ dome camera